Sunday, and we about to head for some breakfast. We had to wait until after 11 because things open pretty late here. We're about to head to a cafe and show you what we do on a typical Sunday here in Tulum.
Excited to try this new place out.
Yeah.
The salmon and bagel. The salmon bagel.
Sandwich.
Oh, salmon sandwich.
Yeah.
Look good. Smoked salmon, not a salmon fillet. So excited to try that out and see what else they have to offer.
Yeah, so we'll talk to y'all later. A lot of the places in this local area we in close on Sundays, so you have to go more to westernized places, I'd say. So they'll have like waffles, pancakes, eggs, bacon, Darian favorite smoked salmon on the bagel. I think it's called lox bagel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like Darian lox bagel, and the sun is out, so excited to hurry up get there and eat because I'm hungry now. Because we've been up from what time we got up?
I was up from like 6.
Yeah, we was up from like 6. I going in the
I was
main
up from
area.
Like 4 or 5 actually.
We going in the main area now, so I gotta put on my mask. So I hope y'all still can hear me. No gracias. So we're just gonna walk there. How long you say it take, baby?
To get there?
Yeah. Like a 5-minute walk.
No, I'd say 10 minutes.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it up there?
We'll time it. No gracias.
This is the place.
Sí, porque yo soy de Baja.
No. I got a caramel latte with soy milk, and Darian got a caramel frappuccino with soy as well. And then I got the waffles. It comes with eggs and bacon. And Darian got, what you get again, baby? Oh, he got the beef fajitas. Sean? This is the salon we went to get manicures, pedicures, and a massage. Looks like they closed today. I'm gonna walk to another cafe through the corner that we're gonna work at. Darian just left to go get the laptop for us to be able to work, so I'll see how this cafe is. I've seen how do I say it? A black digital nomad who lives here. She went to this cafe, and it looks like it has like a library, and it's like a mix between a library and a cafe. So I'm trying to see if any more space here while Darian went to go and get the laptop. I can't think. From the photos, it looks like it only has like 4 seats in the back, so I'm trying to see if there's any more space. And also I'm back to vlogging on my phone because we need a new SD card. The SD card we have isn't fast enough, so while we're waiting on the next one, we're gonna just vlog on our phones. So the cafe we wanted to go to is closed today. I figured there's something to think about because in Tulum a lot of things are closed on Sunday. Well, not a lot, but probably like 40% of the stuff is closed on Sundays. So I forgot to check before we came. We just checked another cafe. It's called Prieto. We went there already to work, I want to say a week ago after we left Raw Love. So I just checked and they're open until 10 p.m. So I called Darian and let him know this one is closed and we'll have to go to Prieto to work.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust
we just came from the cafe. We got a lot of work done. We're working on a special project that we'll be able to launch soon. So now we came to Bonita. It's our favorite burger spot here to get something to eat before we head back. It's extremely hot today, so we're stopping getting something to eat and then running home to the AC. You have anything to say, Bo? It's hot.
Insert 1,000-degree filter right now.
Super hot today, so we're gonna enjoy some food. My phone is dead. Darren's phone is about to die, so we'll check in when we get back home, or if we have a little bit more battery to take some footage in here.